Hey, Gary.
Hey, Matt Jackson. It's first Wednesday, man.
It's the first Wednesday, and we're pumped, and we hope you're pumped. We're going to show you some Volkswagens and talk to some people.
Yes, what a beautiful night it is. Oh, my gosh. It's like probably 70 degrees.
Yes, February in Texas, beautiful time of year.
February, whatever this day this is. It's wonderful. There's already like about 20-something cars here already, easy.
Yeah, we're all just hanging out, having some food, and here comes another one.
Yeah, look at this. Ooh, nice. Yes, park there. A nice Westie, that's Sean's Westie, and then there's Shinola, Helga, and
Kiki's bus.
Yep, right there on the end, and there's Hugo in the back right there, and the Elgin Bricks over there, and then the Bearded Wonder brought out a 68.
This is a big day because Martin doesn't come very often.
No, it's kind of, we're just so excited that the Bearded Wonder did drive a Volkswagen here, and not a Toyota, so it's wonderful. Mike's 59.
Yep. This used to be Tommy's car.
Hello, Kennedy's here. Hello.
So yes, Gary's beautiful.
Mike asked if it was a funeral or a wedding because that's only the times I usually drive that car. It's like
I think people want to know about that car. Tell us about
Kennedy.
Hi, Tommy.
1963 Volkswagen that old Barry and I went and got about, I don't know, 12 or 15 years ago.
Yeah, we were coming up with the story the other day.
Yeah.
And we realized it was a long time ago.
It was a long time ago.
Yeah.
It was one of those deals where we saw it. It was a one owner, and we went down to New Braunfels, and I was like, I said, Tommy, I can't let this car go.
It was on a rough road. It wasn't quite a gravel road, but it was pretty rough. And I remember we just turned around, drove it. You're like, we're done. Let's do this.
That was it.
Yep.
And it was running terrible. Still, it had like a chrome 009 on it. Remember?
It had an empty Globe 09.
Oh, it was so. Oh yeah.
And you're 68, and Kennedy have something in common. They were both painted by Caney Creek right around the same time, and that's why they both look so good.
Yes, the
I
magic.
actually took Kennedy on the trailer to drop it off when I picked up the 68.
Yeah.
And then we went back after it.
Yeah, it was a twofer. It worked out great. So yeah, the paint jobs from the Caney Creek boys are amazing.
Man. Jeremy and Jason, they really kill it.
They do
a pretty good job.
So happy. And Kennedy was fine, but the original paint job wasn't prepped. It was good when I got it, but they just never prepped it. So
the real story is the bus crew was flush and he had money to burn a hole.
Yeah, well, that too.
Yeah, I just sold Scott some earlier running boards with the
thicker trim.
Thicker trim.
Thicker trim, man. Because you gotta have that. You can't have this.
So you're okay with it being a little beat up, huh?
That's what I want. I don't want it to be all nice and shiny.
That way you can enjoy it a little more and not worry, huh?
Yeah, I don't do repaints, and I don't want it to look too shiny and new.
Nice hubcaps. Nice hubcaps with all the patina on them.
I'll send you a picture of the before and after.
I remember this car was at Junebug Rally, and it was way different, and you got it from the previous owners.
Yeah,
and you're making it your own.
Yeah, I'm making it more original looking. They had center lines on it. They had they used to race it. You had a short shifter there, and I just couldn't, getting too old to lean over that far. So slowly bringing it back to what it originally looked like. Yeah,
looks good.
Thank you.
It does look good.
And big thanks to Charlie's here.
Helping me out.
I got the junkyard.
All right, David, so tell me about this car. It was your grandfather's?
No. So the car belonged to my great uncle.
Okay.
And he's had this car for 30-something years. The car's older than obviously older than me, but he's had the car since before I was born. This is the original color that he had on the car when he got it. Not the original color to the car. I couldn't even tell you what the color is. It's a 65. Originally came with a 1200. It's got a 1300 in it now. I'm going to stick this right here on the corner.
And you said you had to do a trade to get the car.
Yeah, so helped him work on the car a little bit through the years. Whenever he passed, my grandmother said, look, there's only one person who's going to get this car, and that's you. And she said, but you're going to have to earn it. I own a roofing company. So I said, tell you what, we'll put a roof on your house, pay for the materials, I'll take care of the labor and the overhead, trade me for the car. So I inherited the car that way. Yeah, family heirloom. And for her, she said, look, no matter what, never get rid of this thing.
Okay, so
never get rid
forever.
of it. Yes, it's mine forever. And, well, it's mine until this is Nate. Until Nate's old enough to drive it, and then it'll be Nate's.
All
so
right.
for sure.
Oh no, his tire's falling off. Whoa, 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 whoa. Coming off, huh?
You're laying against the body panel. You're gonna rip your tire open. Were they?
Okay.
No, they're just.
Man, dude.
I might have some.
Well, no, pull one off.
Oh yeah, we have one.
You can pull
Wait,
one
is
off.
it messed up though?
And if it's so, then we'll take one off of another wheel and then make sure all of them are tight.
Man, that was the last thing I thought
Hey,
about.
we all did it. We get all excited.
Yeah.
And we haul ass out. And we're like, oh.
Turn
Hey,
off your-
luckily it's still on.
3 years after deployment.
Fortunately, it happened here.
Instagram.
Yep.
Got my jack. Mine's buried. Hey.
And don't forget to subscribe.
I can comment right now. Tighten your lug nuts.
Yeah, VW life tip of the day. Tighten your lug nuts. All right, I hope you guys have enjoyed all the antics at First Wednesday.
Oh my gosh, it's been an epic. How many cars, Matt Jackson?
Oh, I didn't count. Did you count, Martin?
I don't know, more than 12.
No, I think there was. Gosh,
Probably
dog, I forgot to count.
I'll count them on the video. As always, if you guys liked what you saw, make sure you subscribe and leave a comment. And we have merch.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Merch. It's very fancy. And get you a hoodie. It's still cold.
Yes, and
Out.
buy some stickers. And we will see you guys next time.
Yep. Thanks for joining us today. Make sure you tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VW Life. Look, folks, put together something in your neighborhood, in your town like this. We just said, hey, let's start meeting up at In-N-Out about 3 or 4 or 5, 6 years ago. I don't know how long it's been now. But nonetheless, look what happens. There's cars that come out of the woodwork, people we don't even know who they are.
Yep.
Post ads on Facebook, post things on Craigslist. It doesn't cost anything.
Yeah, it's free.
And people start showing up, and then you have an event.
Yep.
So thanks for sticking with us today.
All right, say bye, Martin.
Bye.
Oh, it's always good when you have the bearded wonder.
Yeah.